Guys, I'm welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification variables like tablets or all like that softwares from your Huawei Y11i. So the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit inside, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first method, open the settings, now go to the apps and services and choose the apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on the app like that, like this one maybe not this one, like this one for example, and click on install. Click on install, click on the OK again to confirm that, and go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. I have a Firefox, so now just tap on the storage and tap on the clear data. Click OK, and now after that process, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so just go to the app gallery and look for the best antivirus for you. I select the Avast, so in this application we have to tap on the continuous free and just choose the green circle. Now tap on the allow and click the switcher next to allow access to all files. Now just go back to the Avast and choose the scan type. If you have any problem with the viruses, etc., always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the unwanted software shall be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.